G'day guys. Firstly, very sorry I've been away the last couple of days, but I'm here to explain why. And yeah, it'll all make sense in a minute. But just wanted to say massive thanks to everyone, getting back on the channel, supporting me, commenting, liking, and all that stuff, and all the new subscribers. I did actually completely forget, and basically let you all know that we did hit 20,000 subscribers. That all happened while I was away for a bit, but pretty massive achievement. Obviously I'm up to like 180 odd videos now of just the vlogging side of things. So yeah, just wanted to say massive thank you to everyone that's jumped on and everyone that's supporting it. So it's pretty surreal, to be honest, and it's growing even more now. Now that I'm back, so it's awesome. Everyone got on the snap-on video and loved it, so thank you so much. We got heaps of things happening in the workshop, but yeah, just wanted to say thanks. So appreciate it, guys. And also, if anyone is keen on merch, we still have a little bit left. We do have an outlet in Queensland. It's called Slidey Boys. I don't know if this will work on the screen. But yeah, Slidey Boys Drift Community, and they have been amazing. I've been shipping some clothing up there, and they've been getting rid of it like real fast, quicker than what I'm doing. So yeah, massive shout out to them. They've been doing an amazing job. So yeah, obviously the website is still all going, and there's stickers on there. There's going to be some more stuff coming soon. Just got to figure out a few things there, but let's get to the main point of this video. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of where I've traveled. So we're going to flip around to my laptop here, and we're going to use the audio off the laptop to make it easier. But yeah, I'll give you a quick rundown of what I've been up to the last couple of days. So obviously Bree dropped me off at Adelaide Airport here, and I flew all the way over to Sydney, which is thankfully only hour and 50. Now, with the whole COVID thing, I looked into it, and Sydney does not have any restrictions. So, New South Wales. So that's all the way along this dotted line here, down, and then wherever that goes down there. So there's a lot of hotspots in Victoria with COVID cases. So me flying into Sydney was not a problem at all. So then from Sydney Airport, I went to Windsor, Adelaide Airport. So then I did this. I went from Sydney Airport here and caught the train, that one there, all the way down to Windsor Station. Picked up the first thing that I got at Windsor Station, and then I went from Windsor Station up to Tweed Heads. Now, reason I went up to Tweed Heads is because that is just this side of the border, and I don't have to cross over into Queensland. And the guy I met handed me something there. This is all going to get explained to you very soon at the end of this video. So yeah, drove all the way up there, not on a train, I went in a car. So that was a nice 11-hour drive up to Tweed Heads, and didn't get to see anything good on the way because it was obviously night time. Went past a heap of really awesome places. I went past a Big Banana, didn't get a picture because I was on a mission. I've never been past a Big Banana before, so that was pretty cool. And then from Tweed Heads, I met this awesome dude up there, picked something up there, and then I had to hurry up and get back because I wanted to cross the border. So then I came back. What way did I go? Yes, so I've come all the way back down through here, and this is where I thought I was going to be in a pickle. I was originally going to go this path, but after I looked into it, I could get a permit, and went through Victoria because I just knew this way would definitely have fuel everywhere. I haven't been this way. I don't think I've ever been that way, to be honest, because that goes through like Broken Hill. And I just wanted to go away that I knew, and I definitely have fuel. So yeah, this was the mission all the way back home, 22 hours. So remember, you got to fit in fuel stops and all that. So I managed to get all that done within a 2-day period, which is pretty freaking nuts. And that's why I've been missing. Got it all done, and now let's go and see what I got, eh? So yeah, went to Sydney, got one thing all the way up to basically Brisbane, get the other thing, and then brought them all the way back down to, yeah. Okay, I hope that all made sense. Now we're gonna go outside and show you what I picked up. Pretty excited about it. It's awesome, actually. Let's get to it. Ta-da! There it is. New tow car. There's, yeah, literally nothing special yet. It's just a poverty pack, Colorado, Holden, you know, riffraff diesel, 2.8 litre. No. Unfortunately, it's not an RB. So it's got 3.5 ton towing, and I really, really needed that because the other thing I picked up was, ta-da! New trailer. Enclosed bad boy. Now, I've wanted one of these for years and years, a lot of years. So it is a second-hand rig. Obviously it's been sitting outside for ages. A lot of things are rusting on it, and the seals are all rock hard, cracking and whatnot. But it's an enclosed trailer, and once I've got it all cleaned up, like it's literally been sitting that much, it's got mold on the roof and stuff now. It's gonna help echo. But yeah, there's not really much to show you yet. But it's very exciting. I've got a lot I can stand, plenty of room. That is just amazing. Like, yeah, it's massive. It's a huge windsock, which it's gonna hurt the fuel economy, which it did driving back from like up near Queensland. But yeah, there's a few things, you know, just need to fix up, some, you know, wiring stuff. The seals is definitely a big one, because obviously to perish that much, there's like little tiny holes everywhere. But yeah, there's the gap between the wheel arches was a massive factor. I've been looking for trailers everywhere, and it's always like a centimetre too narrow. I haven't tried putting the cars in yet. We're going to try and do that this week at some point, but I'll film all that and see how that goes. Because this door doesn't fold down, it goes up, and then I've got ramps underneath. But yeah, I really had to get this video out, just to let you guys know what I've been doing, and yeah, everything's going to be back to normal, crazy busy, and yeah, we'll try and get videos out daily. We'll, yeah, see how I go. Still got a lot of stuff, you know, to deal with in life, but yeah, I really want to try and get some more videos out. But yeah, there's just some cupboards in here. It's all is what it is. It's also hooked up 240 battery. Oh yeah, so it's got a solar charge. I really need to look into all this. I believe it's charging, but there's a winch under there. This battery powers the winch, that's what I was told. But then I found this button, and that controls the winch too. So, yeah, not too sure. Need to have a good suspect, but I really just like the frame and the setup. Yeah, it's exciting. So pumped to have a enclosed trailer. Now I can go anywhere in Australia with a clean car and rock up the other end, and it's still going to be clean. It's the best. But yeah, you guys are going to get spammed with plenty of videos on this. So that is why I've been away for 2 days. But let's go back inside and we'll talk about a few other things. Alright. Hope that all makes sense, guys. And as you know, obviously when I got to Sydney, I picked the Colorado up, then I drove up and got the trailer from Tweed Heads or near there, and then drove all the way back here. So I'm pretty buggered. But yeah, got back just before midnight last night. Just wanted to let you guys know what has been happening, and yeah, there'll be heaps of videos happening there. I'm going to try and tickle the Colorado up a bit. There's plenty of tuning things out there. I'm going to have to do my research, obviously. And then, yeah, obviously make it look a little bit better. It's definitely got the poverty pack look and standard rims and all that. But it is what it is. And the trailer, can't wait to get cracking on that. Just clean it all up, give it some TLC, because it's literally just been sitting outside for, I think, a couple of years. Yeah, the guy bought it off, Tom. He was a great dude. It was awesome to meet him. And unfortunately, the reason I got it is because, yeah, he no longer uses it, obviously, because it's been sitting for so long. Yeah, I'll look after it, mate. And hopefully it ends up at a lot of racetracks around Australia. Giving it a little bit away there on the plans, but I really want to get busy in Australia again. Alright, that's enough. Hope you're not too mad at me for being away for a few days, but that's the reason. Alright, see you guys, and we'll be back very soon